So the whole car has been done, and now I'm going to put a bit of this Ma-Fra Italian tire shine on my Michelin tires, and that will make my tires look like a tartufo nero, very beautiful and shiny, protected against UV, protected against the elements, beautiful black tires with a nice shine. And I'll show you how easy it is to apply this now. So you can just spray a couple of sprays on there, not too much. It has a nice small mist. And then what I like to do is to spray just a little bit in the towel also, Zoya, and then just start rubbing it here in the tire. And as you can see how this Michelin already pops out. It's very beautiful, this tire shine. And so we continue like this until we have the whole tire done. Not too much, and then I'll let it dry and show you the final result. So and now I'll show you also the Michelin tires. Yeah, that looks absolutely stunning what Ma-Fra Black 3 Plus has done to these tires. Very sexy, very beautiful. 4-year-old summer tires. I've seen a lot of elements. Been to Bulgaria with them many times, to Germany, to the dirt. They've been in the sun. But they look brand new, and you know they're going to be very well protected against UV. Tires will last much longer. I also like to use this on my winter tires or summer tires when I put them into storage for the season, because it really protects them against the ozone cracking and UV and all these.